Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all doing good. Welcome to Canvic Traders YouTube channel. It's your Sham with another video helping you to turn your trading journey into success. And in today's video, we are going to discuss an option buying setup. Okay, we usually believe that option sellers always make money and buyers always lose the money in the markets. But if you have a good and right setup and conviction, you can earn money in the option buying as well. Without any ado, let's jump into the video. Welcome back. Let's see the setup straight away. Okay, this is a options. This is a future chart actually. I'm changing into options. Okay, 34,000. I'm taking CE. Today Bank Nifty moved around 1400 plus points actually. So I'm just taking options short. In this setup, you no need to see spot or futures chart. I mean to say, no need to see means in this setup it's not required. If you can, if you are using any strategy or price action with the spot or futures, okay. But here you can come and check the verify the signal. This setup, if it is also giving buy signal, then you can go ahead with the buy. Okay. So here I am plotting the indicators. First indicator is super trend. And values must be 10 and 3. Make a note or take a screenshot also. And then my favorite VWAP. And then RSI, relative strength indicator. Then we are adding the important factor, that is open interest. Okay, and then volume also required, right? Volume chart. Okay, if you miss anything, please go back to the video and check it again. Here is the main part, the moving average, adding the moving average. It's not the regular moving average, so please pay attention guys. I'm giving 20 values. Okay, and in the field section you have to change to the OA. Okay, I'll tell you the reason and how to read that also. And again take the moving average, again give the 20. This time go back to the field and select volume as well. Okay, we have added 20 moving average to the open interest field and volume field also. Okay, then RSI setting. Make 50 as a oversold. It is just indication purpose only, not any specific reason with this. Okay, so to get a clear view of that, what RSI is telling us. Okay, so I've given 51 and 49, just 1 point difference, that's it. So if RSI is going above 51, it will turn into the green. If it is coming down below the 49, it will turn into red. Okay, this is a simple indication purpose only. There is no theory is related to this, like oversold and overbought. Okay, and so this is the basic setup here. So we have added the 20 moving average that shows that 20 candles moving average it will take, and it will show you the volume percentage. And we have added the 20 MA to the open interest also. So this is called short covering, right? Because price is going up and open interest is coming down. If you don't know the what is short build up and long build up, we have given a video. We have done a beautiful video on that. Please go back and watch it after this video. I'll give you the link also in the description for you. Okay, so this is the short covering, right? So once the price is going up and the OA is coming down. So to indicate that, how do we know that the OA is coming down? Okay, because it is making up and down here only. So with this help of this indicator, we'll come to know that if it is below the 20 moving average red line, then it is, we can take it as a short covering. Okay, I'm repeating again. If the 20 moving average red line is above the moving average line, that is green line, then we can consider as a short covering. Short covering means we already know that it will be very ferocious, very fast actually, so you need to be very fast in this case. Okay, and the first condition should be volume should be above the 20 moving average. That's the first condition. And second must be open interest line should be below than 20 moving average. This is the second condition. And the third condition, RSI should be in green. That means it should be above 50. That is the three conditions. And fourth condition should be price closer, candle closer, not price crossing or reaching or nothing. Only candle close must be above the super trend and VWAP. Okay, these are the conditions. So once it is, you got this kind of a setup, then you can initiate the buy. And what about the stop loss? Stop loss you can keep 20 to 50 points as per your risk appetite or previous swing low. In this case we can take it as this one or this below also. Okay, in this case probability are more actually, but stop loss will be there. Without stop loss we cannot work in the markets, and this is a high probability setup, because what is the psychology behind in this strategy? In a sense, if you are a seller, you will sell. What kind of a calls or puts you will sell? You have to know it will be directional. So you are thinking that market will not go beyond this resistance, so you will sell that particular calls, right? So as well as in the downside also, if there is a strong support is there in the market, so it will not be break this support, so definitely you are going to swell the puts beyond that support level or calls beyond the resistance levels, right? So in this case, this short covering is indicating that all the sellers are running out with covering their position to save their capital or save their profits, or to avoid the losses. They are covering their positions. So that's why open interest usually coming down. So that's why price is also going up. Okay, so let's see the put also at the same time. 34,500 put on the same day. See, the same reverse is happening here. Okay, if you see RSI is down and the open interest is continuously going up, and the reverse condition, guys, actually the moving average should be below, right? It is above. That means sellers are actively writing on these calls. Sellers are actively selling these puts actually. So that's why this, and you can see the volume also in red. Okay, let's see another call option, that is 34,500. Okay, here we got a signal because the volume we got the signal, and open interest also it is below the 20 MA, and RSI is green, and price closure above the VWAP and super trend. So this is the beautiful setup. Today is market mode 1400 points. It's a trending day, so that's why we got this kind of signals. Otherwise you have to go back and check this one also. This kind of a sideways, right? So no need to enter at any cost in these kind of a signals. Okay, and where do we got another signal? Here also no volume. So each and every signal is very, very important here. If you don't get even one signal also, don't trade on that day or don't take the trade. If it is the volume or RSI also, if it is not supporting, don't take that trade actually. Okay, and based on your setup, either price action or any EMI crossover or something like that, whatever the setup you have, you can compare with these also with the options, so you can take the buy setup also. Okay, if you have any kind of a doubt, please comment in the comment section will revert it as early as possible. And if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much.